Alofa, my name is AMELE Tuale. I'm based here in Aotearoa. I am from the wonderful place of South Auckland. I'm a visual artist, painter, maker, lei maker, contemporary doula.
Who and what inspires you right now?
There are certain people in my life, like my husband, whose mum worked so hard, and his dad, they worked so hard so that they could live a better life here in New Zealand. And I know we've been through a lot of things that have hurt us. I understand that pain. But I want to change the way I want to tell stories about people that, that we love. Our grandmothers, our grandfathers, our aunties, our uncles, our parents, people that are no longer here. But they have paved the way for us to be here. Probably when I think about my mother-in-law, she is very iconic in this time of my fellowship. She was, I was thinking about her when I did this project. And this was before she passed away. So it's only, for me, it is an honor and privilege that I have had to have met her. Because I want people to know who she was. She was the little old lady in Samoa praying for us every day. Praying for our success.
So when your residency does launch online, what do you want people to take away from it?
I want to tell all the artists out there that don't have a voice, that don't have a platform, that don't know people, that don't know galleries, that don't know anything or don't have the links, that there are people out there like myself that are here you can reach out for. And you should never let anybody tell you to stop doing what's in your heart. And that's all I want people to take away from my fellowship, is that create work that is important to you. Do not listen to what people want you to do. Do what you need to do.
I can't wait to see your work, and I know that everyone's excited to see your work, and we can't wait for your fellowship residency to be launched online, because it's important for us to pay tribute and to give credit where it's due, to give it to our parents and our grandparents who migrated to New Zealand. So thank you, family, for taking out time out of your busy schedule to talk about your fellowship. You're supposed to say thank you.
I'm pacing myself. Excuse me. Sorry about this, guys, but I definitely want to thank Tautai for giving all of us artists a platform, and thank you for this opportunity to showcase my work.
I think they gotta know we're sisters. Sorry. Sweet. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining me and Millie. Okay, bye.